Most people use MIDI like a robot, but Ableton Live 12's Time Warp changes that. It lets you stretch or squeeze time inside your MIDI clip without shifting pitch or adding notes. You take your existing phrase and bend time. Just select a group of MIDI notes, open the Time Warp transformer, and add up to 3 breakpoints on the curve. Then drag the curve to speed up or slow down parts of the phrase. Want a more human arpeggio? Gently pull the curve so the end drifts or rushes. Need a drum fill that ramps up before the drop? Shape a climb near the end. Want a melody that breathes? Add subtle push and pull across the phrase. You can quantize it to snap to the grid, lock the total time, or even warp note lengths, not just the start times. This isn't just editing, it feels like playing with time itself. Producers always ask how to make MIDI sound less robotic. You don't need to redraw notes or tweak velocity, just bend time right inside the clip. Want our free Ableton tools and production guides, including a time warp walkthrough? Comment Ableton and we'll DM you everything. Follow for more music production tips that actually change your workflow.